Hello, my name is Hugo Sanchez. I'm a presenter and learning developer at Schluter Systems. I'm located in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, and I'm coming to you today from my garage, to be more precise, from my garage entrance. Today, what I wanted to do is to introduce you to a specialized ramp profile that we have at Schluter. This profile here, it's called Reno-Ramp-K. This profile is made out of anodized aluminum. It comes on a length of 8 feet and 2 inches and a half, and it has a width of 2 inches and a half. Now, what's particular about this profile, as you can see, is that it does not have an anchoring leg, which is a perfect thing for situations like mine, where I had to transition between two floor heights. You see, my garage floor is 3 inches higher than my driveway floor. So what I did here is I used this profile back to back, all right, to create that ramp between the two floors. Now, what's particular about this profile, as you can see, is that the profile is hollow in the back. So when you're going to be installing this profile, what you want to do is to properly fill up all these cavities with thinset or mortar to properly support it and avoid denting it when you're going to be circulating on top of it with heavy items. So that's it, folks. I hope that this tip was useful. Until the next time, you stay safe, and I'll see you around. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.